Get rid of fungus gnats, part 1. So for the next series of 3 reels, we're going to be talking about 3 different ways to get rid of fungus gnats. And I'm going to talk about my least favorite first and then go to my favorite method. So I'm going to be using 3 almost identical plants, but you'll be able to get the idea. We are going to talk about using mosquito bits or mosquito dunk. So we're going to be talking about using mosquito dunks first. Now, first of all, what are fungus gnats? Fungus gnats are the tiny little things that look like fruit flies that fly out from your plants. Now, you get this because of contaminated soil that stays wet for too long. So obviously you need to treat the actual problem first. So oftentimes it's just a matter of repotting your plant. Fungus gnats are also endemic, which means you're never going to completely get rid of them. They just exist. But when you get a huge, massive population, it's kind of gross and it starts to affect your life. So we are going to get rid of them. I consider this the easy way to get rid of them, but it's also got some disadvantages. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your mosquito dunk and you're going to split it up into quarters. The night before, you're going to put one into your water and you're going to let it dissolve. It takes a little while. This is a natural way to get rid of them because they contain a pesticide that is bacterial. I'm just going to read it off so I don't screw it up, but it's called BTI, Bacillus thuringiensis subspecies israelensis, BTI. That was a mouthful. It isn't a pesticide product, but instead it's meant to get rid of mosquitoes. When you have them outside, you'll put them outside and it will get rid of them, but it also works for fungus gnats. So because it's a strain of bacteria, it doesn't affect the plant, it doesn't affect the roots, it doesn't affect you as a human, and it also doesn't affect your animals or your kids. All you have to do is dissolve it in here. If it's been dissolving overnight and there's still a piece of it floating around your pot, you can take it out and you just water your plant. Now, the one disadvantage of this is that you have to water consistently with it for 3 months to make sure that you disrupt the fungus gnat life cycle enough to actually kill the pest. That's the first way that we can try to get rid of fungus gnats. Follow for more plant talk.